Victron Energy Smart MPPT Charge Controller 150 85 TR VE can. This is what we started doing early in the morning at 6 going to 7 in the morning. This is our production here, and was 280, and we were bringing 8 to 9 amps earlier before I grabbed the camera. So here goes the system. This is one. There goes the other. That's the 70. Here goes the 2 multi-plus. Here goes the 2 multi-plus 2. 3000 VA times 2, that's 6000 VA, 35 amp each, so that would be about 70 amps in BRL. So I can't wait to get these things all installed, and maybe in the near future, who knows, maybe gonna be a third inverter charger, or it's gonna be a fourth one. So it's about time for blue power to shine. Alright, that's what it is. Like and subscribe from the command center in Minnesota. Here are the numbers. You can see what is coming in and what is happening. So you have the shunts right there. The batteries are 90%. So the other charge controller is trying to wake up with a 25 watt, which is the 70 MPPT Smart Charge Controller, Smart Solar Charge Controller, and while the other one is producing now over 460 watt hours, and the other one is just 150 watt hours. So what happened when you have like the sun started coming up, you see all that glare